Hi there, it's Grant here. In today's quick video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a very quick crypto market update. I'm going to update you with what's happening with Bitcoin and the wider crypto market and what I think could happen next, especially with the war in the Middle East starting to escalate. So if you're excited to watch the video, why not like the video? Why not subscribe to the channel to get more updates like this? But also, if you want deeper insights from me, why not subscribe to my weekly Crypto Insider newsletter, where you'll be notified every time I put a post up. But also, I share deeper insights, what's happening in the crypto market. So if you want to subscribe, click here. You can subscribe to free, but I've also got a pro newsletter where I do deeper analytics, crypto coin research, and the like, which you can see here, and you can check. I'll link to that down in the below. Anyway, let's get on with the video. So, Bitcoin in the wider crypto market is down, but what happens next? I wrote this post the other day, but it's still relevant. So, the big news is Bitcoin took a big hit over the weekend when Iran attacked Israel. And this has basically spooked the crypto market, and we're seeing a bit of a pullback. But if we look at historically what's happening with crypto, let's just take a look at this chart. So if you want to be successful in crypto, it really helps to know the Bitcoin and crypto market cycles, and it's understand to know Bitcoin's market cycles because Bitcoin dictates the rest of the crypto market. Basically, Bitcoin is basically the gatekeeper of money into the crypto market. So if loads of money's pouring into Bitcoin and Bitcoin soaring, that money will eventually trickle down into the altcoin market, which will make altcoins go up. So very important to understand the cycle. So this is Bitcoin's cycle since the last bull run in 2020. This was the original halving in 2020. And if you saw here, just before the halving in 2020, there was a very steep pullback. And this, basically, we're in a period called the last pre-halving retrace. So it's where basically Bitcoin takes a dip prior to the halving, and that is exactly what's happening now. And this is the period we are basically in. This is where we are at the moment, and we are seeing a pullback. Then it will go into the reaccumulation period here before going on the post-halving parabolic upside, which is basically when Bitcoin goes on this bull run probably up to 100,000. So basically, as you can see in the chart above, Bitcoin is still in its pre-halving retrace phase, where Bitcoin can have a strong pullback in price leading up to and after the halving event before transitioning into the reaccumulation phase. So the pullback in price we're seeing from Bitcoin at the moment is perfectly expected and is a normal historical trend while Bitcoin goes on its bull run move in the months following Bitcoin's halving. And historically, Bitcoin will reach a new all-time high around 250 days after the halving, which is the start of Q1 of 2025. So what's going to happen in the wider altcoin market? So this is a chart of the historical altcoin market. This was the last halving event. Here, as you can see here, the altcoins took a big dip prior to the halving before going into the altcoin season and going up to a new all-time high. And we're seeing exactly the same thing. Basically, we're seeing a big retrace in the altcoin market. Typically, once the halving has occurred, that is really the start of the altcoin season. So, what can we really expect? And here we go. Here's the altcoin hype cycles. Here, this is actually being done by the awesome Rec Capital on Twitter. Follow him; he's a great crypto analyst. But this is his chart. It's very useful. So at the moment, April's been basically the altcoin market being the highest hype. There's been a lot of gainers, especially become meme coins, but it is slowly starting to cool off. And the altcoin season will see the lowest hype around early summer, so sort of like middle of May. But then that will peak again by the June. So really the altcoin market, whilst the altcoin season is going to start by the halving, pretty much everything will be going parabolic if all goes to plan. Probably, really starting mid-June, going into July. That is where the altcoin market is really going to take off. So basically, if all goes to plan, the altcoin market cap should peak around Q4 of 2024 and will peak around 5 trillion in 2025. It goes on to say, if we look at the altcoin hype cycle, the altcoin hype is cooling off now, will bottom out in early summer before reaching peak height by July midsummer. So in summary, whilst novice crypto investors and holders will get spooked by the current retrace by Bitcoin and wider altcoin market, what we're seeing now is all historical normal leading up to Bitcoin's halving. Next few months, few months will present many bargains for crypto investors before Bitcoin and altcoins start their parabolic bull run move. However, the spanner in the works could create a big black swan event is any major escalation in the Middle East. If that turns into major regional war. And, at the time of writing this or recording this video, I do believe Israel is planning some kind of retaliatory strike in the Middle East. Now, the big worry is if Israel goes to war, will it drag US into the conflict, which will drag Russia into conflict, which would then be a major Middle Eastern regional war. If that happens, Iran could shut off basically a lot of the world's oil supply, because a lot of oil comes from Iran in the Middle East. If that happens, the stock market will crash, housing markets will crash, and I'm pretty sure the crypto market will crash as well. We do not want that to happen, and that is the big black swan event. But unfortunately, it's going to hang over the crypto market, even if we're going into a bull run. I'll finish by saying the crypto market presents big risks in 2024 because, of the Middle East war. If that escalated to a major regional war and Iran shuts off a lot of the oil production in the Middle East, the stock market and crypto market and the housing markets are going to pretty much collapse and the financial markets will go into chaos. But if that doesn't happen, we avoid that, and the bull market goes as normal and as expected, which is on track at the moment. The profits could be potentially huge this bull run. This is shaping up to be the biggest crypto bull run ever. And assuming the Middle East war doesn't spoil it for everyone, there's potentially going to be huge profits to participate. But again, it's really a 50-50 shout. Roulette wheel spin. Whether crypto investors make money or they lose it, if it all kicks off in the Middle East. That's the update for you today. I'll finish by saying I'll link to this blog post. This is my blog. I'll link to this down in the description below. If you want to join my weekly Crypto Insider newsletter, you can click this here and join. If you want my deeper crypto research and analysis or my crypto coin reviews, I'll link to this page in the description. You can join my pro newsletter. You can join now for 65% off and can join for just £7. An absolute bargain. So I'll link to that in the description below. That is what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.